So what if you start struggling with your mortgage? What do you do if you can't afford the increase? So when someone comes in to see you and they say, hey, Ted, I got all this debt, but I'm also starting to get behind on my mortgage. What's the thought process? Where do you start? What's the advice you give someone in that situation?
So we're predicating all of this on the assumption that you have to have some place to live. So you can't just decide you're going to sell the house tomorrow and move out and everything's going to be hunky-dory. It just can't happen. So you've got to continue to find ways to make those mortgage payments. And so if you're struggling with the payments, the first place to do is talk to the bank. Just about every contract that you have with a bank for some kind of long-term loan has provisions that allows you to skip payments, might help you with deferring interest. There are things the bank may be willing to do. There were lots of programs during COVID. Now the question is, are they still willing to extend those same kind of benefits to you now? If you don't ask, you won't know.
So you could go to the lender and say, hey, look, I need to skip next month's payment.